Justice continues to elude the families of the Shopian double rape and murder victims despite the passage of 15 years. The victims Asia and Niloufar were abducted, raped, and consequently killed by the men in uniform in Shopian, and their bodies were found in the Nala on the intervening night of the 29th and 30th May 2009. The victims' family have lost faith in the Indian institutions, seek justice from independent international forums. Indian Army stormed a police station in the Kupwara district, brutally beating the police officers and the personnel who were investigating a case of the army high-handedness in the district. At least 4 special police officers associated with the Special Operation Group sustained several injuries during the army attack. In a separate incident, male staff nurses at the Government Medical College and Hospital in the Jammu staged a protest against the discriminatory treatment by the doctors. The demonstration resulted in a suspension of the work at the hospital for many hours. APHC AJK convener Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement issued in Srinagar, strongly condemned the Indian Home Minister Amit Shah's statement, which he sees as an attempt to intimidate and terrorize the Kashmiri people. Sagar emphasized that Kashmiris have the right to pursue their careers and seek jobs in the public or the private sector.